Understanding Granite Countertops, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a very specific phrase that you might come across in home improvement shows, interior design discussions, or when talking about kitchen upgrades, granite countertops. We'll explore what this phrase means, why it's used, and some interesting facts about it. Let's get started. Granite countertops are a popular choice for many homes, known for their durability and beauty. Granite is a type of natural stone that is quarried from the earth. It's made up of different minerals, including quartz, feldspar, and mica, which give it a unique and attractive appearance. When we talk about granite countertops, we're referring to slabs of this stone that have been cut to size and polished, then installed in a kitchen or bathroom as a surface for preparing food, eating, or placing various items. There are several reasons why granite countertops are a favored option for homeowners. Firstly, granite is incredibly durable. It's resistant to scratches, heat, and stains, making it an ideal material for the kitchen, where the surface can be subjected to knives, hot pots, and spills. Secondly, because granite is a natural material, each piece is unique, with its own patterns and colors. This uniqueness adds a touch of elegance and personalization to a home. Lastly, granite countertops can add value to a property. Their luxurious appearance and longevity make them an attractive feature for potential home buyers. Maintaining granite countertops is important to preserve their beauty and functionality. Although granite is durable, it's not completely maintenance-free. It's recommended to seal granite countertops periodically to protect against stains. Cleaning is simple. A soft cloth, warm water, and a mild detergent are usually sufficient. However, abrasive cleaners should be avoided to prevent scratching the surface. With proper care, granite countertops can last for decades, making them a worthwhile investment for many homeowners. We hope this exploration of granite countertops has been enlightening. These surfaces are more than just a part of home decor. They're a blend of nature, art, and science, offering durability, beauty, and functionality to kitchens and bathrooms. Whether you're learning English for personal development, travel, or academic purposes, understanding phrases like this can help you navigate a wide range of conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content in our next video. Happy learning!